News just coming in. India Today has accessed even more details of Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarty's call records, specifically the calls that she made to Deputy Commissioner of Police in Bandra, Abhishek Trimukhe, on the 21st of June, just a week after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Rhea spoke to the DCP and the last call lasted 28 seconds on the 22nd of June. On the 22nd of June, the DCP sent a text message to Rhea. On the 22nd of June, the DCP called Rhea and the conversation lasted 29 seconds. On the 1st of July, DCP Trimukhe again called Rhea and the conversation then lasted 66 seconds. On the 18th of July, Rhea spoke to the DCP once again and the conversation lasted 61 seconds. So multiple calls between the officer investigating the case and Rhea Chakrabarty following Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Let's go across to India Today's Anjana Om Kashyap, who's accessed these call records and has details about them. Anjana, what do these call records actually show, these conversations between Rhea Chakrabarty, who's currently under investigation, and the DCP Trimukhe of the Bandra police station?
Try timing a conversation with someone, Shiv, and you'll understand. In 28 seconds, how much can possibly a DCP who is investigating a matter convey to a person that he wants to interrogate? He cannot say, this is DCP Trimukhe calling from Bandra station and I want to interrogate you, Rhea Chakrabarty, please can you come to the station? So what was this conversation that was happening for 28 seconds, 29 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 66 seconds, and then 61 seconds? A lot of conjectures can be made, but without getting into that, were safer modes of conversation or talking adopted between these two, in which there can be various ways. You can talk on WhatsApp records because those cannot be traced. And you can say in 28 seconds if you want to adopt some other mode of communication. So these are all that I want to say is that 28 seconds, 29 seconds, 66 and 61 seconds, a DCP who is investigating the matter officially trying to convey something to someone seems highly unlikely. Because if this was let's just imagine it was a call drop. If it was a call drop issue, then maybe he would have called back again. He will try and have a conversation, right? But he did not. On 21st of June, he talks for 28 seconds. After that, there is zero communication till the next day. On 22nd June, there's a text message, there's a call. Then again, there is no communication for the next, at least not that can be tracked, any kind of communication that can be tracked. So the next call only happens on 1st of July after a gap of 8 days for 66 seconds again. And then 18th July after a gap of about 17 days for 61 seconds. That needs some kind of explaining, Shiv.
Anjana, very, very interesting. You're suggesting that, the brevity of these conversations indicate that it is possible that these conversations were actually to set up other conversations which may have been longer and couldn't have actually been traced. Anjana, thank you for getting us those details. All of this, up for scrutiny and up for investigation at this point of time. We will continue to report these details coming out, but no drawing any conclusions at this point of time because the investigation is still very much on. India Today has accessed the phone call records of Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarty, like you just heard Anjana Om Kashyap listen to, and a big revelation has now come out from the call records. Rhea Chakrabarty dialed the Bandra DCP, like you just heard Anjana telling us, who is handling the Sushant probe case. Last year, there were 2 incoming and outgoing calls to the DCP Bandra, Abhishek Trimukhe, last month. The call records show that Rhea dialed her father Indrajit Chakrabarty the maximum number of times. She dialed her father 122 times and her brother Shauvik Chakrabarty 886 times. Rhea also made 808 calls to her manager Shruti Modi, who's also currently being interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate as we speak. She called Sushant's home manager 218 times and only called her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput 147 times, along with dialing 101 times to Sushant's friend Siddharth Pitani. Rhea's call details also reveal that she called up filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt 16 times, 15 times on January and once in February.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.